Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the 335 once again. Now, to announce something that is bad news about the car, it's currently misfiring on cylinder number 6. So I have some coils and spark plugs that I've ordered from FCP Euro that should be here within the next 2 weeks, so hopefully we can get that installed. That's the biggest downside right now is I can't go drive the car and stuff. I can't, enjoy the car. It's just sitting here for the next 2 weeks or however long it takes for those parts to show up. Anyways, that's besides the point. Today we're going to be installing some exterior mods, 2 to be exact. We'll be doing front kidneys and side markers somewhere over here if you can see it. I don't know if it's in frame. I do really want to get into this car cosmetic wise and really my dream 335 whatever, but yeah, like I said, it's misfiring right now, so that's a big bummer. It's not the end of the world as long as the coils and the plugs fix it. I did get a step colder plugs. We'll go into all that in the next video, but today let me show you what I got. Alright, so these are the little side markers. I got these off of Amazon for, I want to say, like 26 bucks. They are smoked black with the LED amber signals. So as you can see, they're in the plastic, but that is what they look like. We'll peel that off in a second when we go ahead and install them. I'll show you the difference. We'll do the install. So we also got these front gloss black, or piano black as the ad says, the front kidneys, which are sweet. Came with this dinky little there we go. Came with that little terrible M3 badge. I think it just clips onto the grill. We'll be like throwing that away. I'm very excited for these because if you guys can tell, these are the dual slotted kidneys. So it's like an updated look. Kind of looks like the F30 or just like any of the new S series. They kind of have that style. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's get this stuff on the car. Wow, I do have to say that looks really, really good. Alright guys, that is going to do it for today's video. We did the 2 mods, the side markers and the front kidneys. I'm going to link both of those products down below in case you guys were trying to do the same exact mods. Super easy, 2 cosmetic mods that will definitely spice up the look of that front end. Definitely with that amber turn signal, those are super cheap, and same with the front kidney grills. Definitely upgrades the look of the car. Stay tuned for the next video where we fix the misfire on the E90, or hope we fix it. If it's an injector, that's going to be a whole nother video. But yeah, we're going to be doing some Delphi coils and some NGK step holder plugs in the next video. So stay tuned for that. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you just subscribe. Definitely helps me out. Leave a like on the video. Drop a comment on what you want to see next. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.